What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another day of a day of a vlog for you people. So what's going on? And I know I haven't been making a video in a week. Don't forget this is a school week, so do keep in mind that not every time I'm gonna make a video on the school week because obviously I'm in my parents' house, so I do have to do chores too, so do keep in mind in that. So what I'm gonna do is discuss a little bit of weekend and discuss a little bit about PC build and discuss something odd with this Adobe Flash. I think what I'm gonna do is show you that real quick and see if you guys or people have noticed this issue or not. So as you can see, we are on a selection page where you did click new. So if we scroll, okay, well, why is it not doing something? There was a issue. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. So if we pause it. So if you want to comment when you scroll, this is a seizure and it turned black already. Okay, well, it's been a little wacko. So I'm not quite sure if you people are having issue with that or not. But that Adobe Flash is having a seizure, which is starting to get annoying. So I hope there was a update to fix this. Hopefully, that Firefox or what we have an update. I haven't updated Firefox yet, so but I'm gonna try to get an update one of the weekend to see if that will fix the issue or not, or if it make it 10 times worse. So that's the issue. As you can see, so I've been having a good time with Firefox. CPU load, not too bad, not too shabby, that's pretty good. 1080p video doesn't load the CPU too hard like Chrome does, which the reason why I switched to Firefox is when Apple released their new excuse the Apple name, but the round, the trash can, everybody like to call it, the Mac Pro, I think. I will put a text below in the video if I made incorrection. So, but anyway, yeah. So when everybody got that, this is when the issue did begin with 1080p video. And funny enough, I used to watch 1080p YouTube video just fine. Well, now, when everybody updated to the new Mac Pro, not the laptop, the towel, this is where the issue has began with Chrome. So that's when I decided to switch to Firefox. So it's been doing very good. Another issue I had with Chrome is my CPU idle is idling too high than normal. You did look at it like, why is it idling too high? Generally, raw stored CPU when you're doing nothing it should be idling at, if you have very clean desktop, if you don't have no background gadget, if you're running Windows 7, generally Warsaw should be floating in the 9% idle stage or 5. As long as a lower number, it should be good. So that's where I had issue with Chrome. That's another thing I did had. So, as you can see, I'm using Firefox. So, yeah. So, today, let's talk about weekend 2 before we move on. Now I did talk about how we couldn't move forward until we get 16 or whatever. I'm gonna take this back. We're gonna still continue with the PC build. I'm gonna take back what I said about that. So, today what I've been doing is making a new list. And there's been a change of plan. Now, on the list, I got stuff that you order from, like, Newegg and Amazon. But there was a little bit dab of one component at Fry's. So, this weekend was a little bit rough for me. My dad company had a party, and the party was at a hotel, and my mom and dad decided to use my credit card to rent a room to sleep. When they did that, it took the whole week of processing to process the hotel. And the thing about too is my mom is very good at asking questions like, okay, is this gonna do this or that? You know, so my mom is slim off asking questions. Well, nobody haven't let my mom know that it takes a while to process in bank. And the way mine was saying too is my mom and dad haven't rented a hotel room in a long time. And back in the day, stuff was a little bit different. It was a little bit different, all that jazz. Well, being my mom and dad haven't rented a hotel in a long time, nobody haven't explained to my mom, even the hotel people haven't explained that it takes a while, like I said. So, lately I've been a little bit steaming over this lately. You know, my mom did call the bank and the hotel, and both of them are just pointing finger at each other. So, I've been a little bit unhappy with this. You know, my mom is kind of feeling bad for using my check card. She's really feeling bad about this. So, you know, my mom does realize the mistake that did happen, and yeah, so, you know, those things kinda, you know, but me and my mom still have a good relationship. It haven't ruined yet, so don't think it haven't. It's just one of the things that nobody haven't let my mom know this will take longer. You know, and of course my mom's schedule can get busy at time too, so it'd be nice that hit the buy button, that get it done and over with. And when I'm home, I can build a computer on the weekend that my mom is busy or my dad. So it did cause inconvenience too. You know, well, I shouldn't say but yeah, every week I look at my mom's schedule and see if this is a good time to do or not. And another thing too is it really depends if my mom is feeling good or not. That's depend on the mood and depend if she doesn't feel tired or not too. So that's been a little bit slow with that too. When I buy these boards, I have to do with my mom, so I don't have the full freedom to do it on my own in a convenient time. So, but being that, today I made a new list because on the Super Bowl weekend, we're gonna stop by at Fry's because my dad, being my dad, it's union. And if you've been following the channel, if you've been following the vlog, you might catch a hint that my dad is a union electrician. Union electrician. Now I lost the sentence. So, oh yes, party. So, being my dad at the union, they're gonna have a party at the place, and my dad union place it in the same area, but not same area, but every day, when my mom need to do like something like that, we always go by Fry's. So it's right in the area. So what we do, the party is not gonna start in a certain time. So what we do is go by Fry's and look at their selection and buy the couple components. And while you're buying the couple components, see if we can get price match or a student discount, stuff like that. See if we can get that. And the part that Fry's doesn't carry on a special order. So that's going to be a thing. So let me pause for a moment. Alright, so back towards what we get at Fry's. Like I said, not every component is going to be at Fry's. Store, they don't carry the exotic part, not every store. So what we're going to do is, like I said, when we buy these items, see if we can get a price match or a student discount to buy these components. And once we buy these components, there might be a couple components that I might have to buy online, like a mini PCI adapter towards 1X adapter, those PCI laptop adapters to 4 size adapter. Those I got special, and I might order a power supply too, because there's one particular one that I like. So they're gonna be half and half, so that's good. So Super Bowl weekend, that's where we go down and see what we can, see if we can get. Basically, so yes, and now I think, no, I don't think. Another thing I want, I do want to address one of the video that I did is waiting room experience. I don't think I was drunk. I shoot that like last night or one of the night, and yes, it sound terrible as heck. You might have to rewatch it like maybe 3 to catch on idea. But if you had fun with that, that's great. Slowly we are getting a good view on this YouTube channel, and we are finally getting, well, we have one comment broke out, one comment, and there was one comment on, see, the channel is looking good. I want to say thank you for that person. If you are watching, I want to thank you for commenting. It was very nice comment. I'm pretty sure I will put text capture text on it to see what he said. So it was a nice comment, and I'm gonna say it was a very cheerful comment, because there is some supportive people who's very interest like me. It's very nice. When I saw my Google Plus notification, I read the comment, and it did made me happy. So it's, yeah, it's kind of like yeah. So I'm just happy to see that. I might as well give the person a shout out on this video if you are watching. So I just want to say thank you, and I will definitely leave a text where he left. So he was, or he or she was very nice to leave a comment. So I don't know with the username on top of my head. I have to look, so don't expect for me to remember that. But during my editing process, I will put a text on the video. So yeah. So yeah. So make a new list, and I'm gonna reprint the list too. So when I go to files, I can go this seller's selling this or what. So that's what I'm gonna do. So okay, end the video. In the video for you people. So don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you like this style video, and give me a comment if you want to say nice, interesting, cheerful. Feel free to do that, and feel free to do that. So feel free to leave a comment. If we have a lot of comment, I want to turn this comment to a question or thing or my opinion about it. So you're welcome to do that. and you're definitely welcome to subscribe to channel or Google Plus me. I know on top of my channel, on top of the banner, there was Google Plus link to my Google profile, so you can follow me that if you got that set up on your account, or you can subscribe in a simple way, so you can do that. And don't forget, you can support the channel. And there's a link below the video. If you don't see the rest, make sure you click on show me more, and there's going to be more. So below the video, you guys see Amazon project, which you're welcome to help me out. And there was a contact link, before I forget about that. Contact, which is an email link, and email address, not a link, email address. Like I said, Amazon wish list, if you want to help out, if you want to. So there was 2. My Flickr page, you're definitely welcome to buy those photo if you want to. And what else on that link? Yeah, so I'm part of what I'm saying, yeah. There was link to my social, so if you on linustechtips or Tech Syndicate, or either or, you can follow me and say hi to me if you want to. So yeah, so that'll be it. I'm gonna catch you next time, people, and see you later. See you later.